Hello guys, welcome back to another bite-sized video. I hope you're hungry and ready to eat. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make these fried bakes or fried dumplings. If you would like to see how I do that, then keep on watching. In a mixing bowl, we're going to be starting off with 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And to that, we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of yeast. Now do keep in mind that you can shrink or expand this recipe, but for this recipe you will yield about 10 small to medium sized bakes. Now because this is a sweet dumpling or sweet bakes recipe, we're going to be going in next with 8 tablespoons of sugar. You can feel free to cut back if you don't want yours to be as sweet, but I was making these with my nephew in mind and he loves them a bit sweet. To that mixture, we're going to be adding a 3/4 of a tablespoon of salt, and this is just going to help to balance out that sweetness. Be sure to thoroughly combine after adding all of your ingredients. Now it won't be as sweet cinnamon bakes without adding the cinnamon, so we're going to be going in with a 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Now guys, bear in mind that you can tweak this to your personal preference and your personal liking. Now here I'm going to taste my flour just to see if it needs anything else, and as you guys could see, I'm adding 2 more tablespoons of sugar. This is what brought us up to the 8 tablespoons in total. For our liquids, we're using a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil and a 1/2 cup of warm water for kneading.
Now bear in mind I said warm water and not hot water. So when you put the water too hot and it's catch off your finger because hot flour burns. Don't blame me.
To knead the flour, you're just going to be pulling the dry ingredient into the wet part of the dough and pulling it over itself. My apologies for not slowing this part of the clip down. So guys, this is the dough after you finish kneading it. Now you're going to put it to rest. Yes, it looked a little rough, but it will smooth out once it rises. So guys, see here that I've already rolled out one of my dough balls, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can achieve this. You're going to grab a piece of dough and keep pushing it into itself. So you're bringing over the outside and pushing it into the center. Then once you've achieved a ball-like effect, you're going to pinch the raw edges to close it off or seal it off smoothly. Don't worry guys, I'm going to slow this clip down for you. You will see what to do. No, guys, I do not know what I was doing or what I was thinking, but while I thought I was recording, I was actually just taking a picture of the bakes being fried. My deepest apologies. So this is the finished product. I paired mine with some chicken fried shrimp and some avocado, or zabuka as we say here in the Caribbean. If you would like to see how I made my chicken fried shrimp, then feel free to check out my previous video, which I will have linked down in the description. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know any other recipes that you would like to see. I hope you enjoyed. Bon appetit and keep on watching.